Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Short Hammer, and it is the 6th of June 2019. We are looking at Amazon. Now, Amazon on the 3rd, we had a drawdown, and it tapped the top of this channel in the 1670s, and from that point, we bounced. So on the 4th into the 5th, we bounced from this area all the way back to the 1750s, pull back and close below the 1740s. Now, why is this 1740s area important? And why is this channel important? Well, this channel goes all the way back to 2017. And the last time we tapped this channel, we bounced up into the 1818 by 1823 area, pull back, double tap the 1740s, and from there went on a 200-point run on Amazon. A little bit more than 200 points, but you get the gist. And from that, we had a slight downtrend that we were on. That turned into a bigger downtrend. That turned into a drop that took us back to tap the top of this channel from 2017. Now, what am I watching for? Me personally, I'm watching these 1740s, and if we can't get up above this supply-demand zone, I'm going to be fading Amazon to the downside. So I'm going to watch the 1740s. Can we eat through the 1740s into the 1750s? And if I see weakness, I'll probably be fading Amazon. Now, if we look at the 5-minute chart and Amazon, we opened right here, right around the 1750s area, and we just faded to the downside. The 1722s is a strong area of support, or should I say demand, and we were talking about that in the chat today. Watch this area, the 1722s. We lost it, retested, dropped down a little bit, but then we regained it. And so tomorrow, let's see what we have here. I want to see if we can retest the 1747 area. If we get over the 200, if we don't get over the 200 SMA on the 5-minute intraday, I'm going to be watching this level. I'll see where we are at the open. If we gap up, if there's some sort of catalyst, if there's a deal with Mexico or whatever there may be, I'll be watching tomorrow to see what catalyst we may have. But if we're below this 200 SMA and we can't get above that, I'll probably be fading that down through here and keeping it tight, trailing it, and watching for a break and a test of the 1710s. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Like, I don't go into any day with a bias long or short. I go into the day saying, okay, what are the technical high probability setups that I have? And how can I enter that trade with great risk management? Like, what point will I get in with tight stops and great risk management on a trade? So for Amazon, for me, below the 1740s, I'm more bearish on it. And the chances of me getting long are low unless I see that we've dropped to a demand zone that I think that the buyers will step in and push this back up. I'm going to take some scalps, but for me, I'm just going to be watching the 1740s. Can we eat through and push back above this to the top of this supply demand zone? And if we do push above that, then let's see. Then I like this 1818 to 1823 area. Like, above this, I'll be long with a stop of a break back into this area. But below this area, I'm looking for a push up into it or push up near this, and looking for weakness on the intraday chart, on the 5-minute chart, to fade it down. And I'll be watching the SPY and the broader market. If there's no weakness in the market, then I'll not be fading Amazon. If the market is strong and we're pushing and we break the 1750s and we're just pushing up through this level, I'll probably be long Amazon. So we'll see how the day opens up and shakes out tomorrow. But I'm just going to go in no bias and see what the market gives us.